best friend from my childhood. Yeah. So I kinda okay. Hey, you can come build mode with me at the same time. If you didn't know that. Okay, so in Adopt Me, because I don't actually play Adopt Me, I never actually did. So I went and I bought him a panda with my Robux, so it's like my money. Because if you buy something with Robux, you pay money for the Robux. So yeah.
Can I go in my house?
Yes, you can see what I'm doing for you.
What are you doing?
You can go build mode and see. So I kind of deleted your bedroom.
Why?
So I can fix it for you.
Can you say that?
Even your computer and stuff, because I have enough money for it. Let me check real quick and see. Okay,
No. What are you doing with all my stuff?
Okay, no, it's okay. You still have the bubble maker and stuff. Increase my budget so I can make your computer good. Make me like give me 200 or something.
Alright.
Increase my budget, not set it, okay? Or then I don't have 200 to work with. So increase it. I said increase, not set.
Oh.
Increase. Now increase the 4,000. Increase the 4,000.
What 4,000?
The ones that I gave you. Look, just stand still. Just stand still. Stand still. Is that enough? Wait, no, stand still again. Stand still again. Nice.
Yay, thanks. Go to my house. Can I see what's in my house?
It's okay. Don't be scared. Did you switch on the music? Oh my god. Increase my budget.
Oh.
Increase it, not set it. Just increase. Increase. Okay, I need to give him more money to do my house. So, I mean to do his house. So yeah. No.
I'm going to invite you.
Wait, no. Come on, invite me.
Yes, I'm
Are
coming.
you gonna invite me or am I gonna kill you? No, that's Valentine's Day, of course. Yay! No, not to a party, to your house. No, everybody's gonna come. It's okay. You can work everyone except me, obviously. I mean, you. Okay, that was a weird sound, but who cares? Guys, this is the one from the Strucid episode, the game. Yeah.
Are you coming?
Wait, I already am. It's loading. I'm loading. Okay.
Oh my goodness, everyone is coming to my house. I have to lock it a bit.
Oh my gosh, this is the most I've ever saw anyone go in.
No one can come.
Come on, block these two. Block them. Go build mode. Go build mode. Go build mode now. Go build mode. Go build mode. Just go build mode.
We're going outside. Stop.
Go build mode. Or go build mode.
Alright.
Okay, now block them from the manage permissions.
How?
Go manage permissions and block them. Also,
Hey,
go. He only invited me.
look.
Nice. So
I
give me cloner.
I'm going to close this one.
No, you have to
Hey.
do manage permissions. Go build mode again. Go build mode again.
Room is here. Here you can build. Go to build mode when I say.
Come on, corner me before she takes food.
What if she takes food from my money? Here.
Here. Nice.
She almost was going to cook.
Huh, little baby. She can't
She's
do.
going
Block
to
her.
trap.
Look, you have to do manage permissions. Manage permissions.
Here.
No, manage permissions. Go manage permissions. And now she can't go, right?
She's blocked. See? She's going here.
Ha ha ha. No. Okay, I don't know why I'm being mean to someone. But wait, stand still. Oh my gosh, you're still not going to stand still. 1, 2, 3. Just like that.
I need to change permission.
Wait.
I go a bit. Wait.
No, don't annoy her. She's not doing anything to us. Well, okay, I'm going to work. Come,
No.
come on. Mm.
I have a bit money. Can I use that?
Let's tell her hi. What the heck do you want?
Okay, but I have to go to build mode.
Let's just be nice to her. Like, don't be mean.
Here, then.
Wait, I have to go build mode. We can build together. Should I paint your roof?
This is the room.
Like, no, should I paint it?
Yes.
Wait, no, I don't have the money. Okay, I'm going to work. Bye.
Which where?
The pizza delivery. Something. Ah! Oh, this girl trying to be mean.
Wow.
I think she. Look, I don't think it would let me face the camera that he can see on to the chat. Look what she's done. Wait. Okay, I'm going to my chat. Come on, go to your camera. And look. Oh my gosh. She's probably letting me. She's trying to be mean. Not by you, I know what the heck that was. But look at her. Can you see it? Oh, little baby trying to be mean, but everyone can see her. Well, I mean, I'm sorry for her that everyone knows that she's trying to be mean. I mean, actually, I don't know what the heck that means, so she might be being nice. Wonder her what the heck does that mean. Mean or good? Mean or good?
I'm going to my job.
If mean, all YouTube can see. Wait, what's that? All you can see. Well, I'm not that famous. I'm not famous or anything. So probably not all YouTube because not even 10 people are gonna see it. Let's just say. Okay. So guys, I think he has to leave. So yeah, bye. Bye,
Bye.
boy.
Bye. I'm done.
Okay, I just hung up with him. Okay, anyways, I think I also have to end the video off. I mean, I don't think he's stressing. I mean, I think so, because then why you have to be messaging. Okay, let me just look. I don't know. I mean, she looks harmless, as you can see from her profile picture. Okay, so yeah. I guess thanks for watching. Okay, so bye, bye, guys.